Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I use my software to auto farm warm up multiple TikTok account. So here you can see this is my software that I use. So first, I have account management. This function will help you to add and manage multiple TikTok account. So you can add your account here. So software will auto manage is for you. So you can select the account that you want and select it. Choose login and software will auto log into the account that you want. Here you can see software will auto open the browser like this and will auto log into the account that I choose. And each browser you can zoom in like this and use it like a normal browser. Okay, to warm up your TikTok account, I will go to interaction script. You will need to add your script in here. Your script will make your account just like a normal user, just like a real user. So you can choose the action like this: scroll to, like, follow your video owner, comment, reply comment, add your to favorite, or you can interact with following your account, interact with friends, interact with live stream, or change your information account. Okay, after you have the script, I will select the number of threads. Number of threads, it means number of account running in the same time. Next, I will select the account I want to warm up. So yeah, I will choose the account I want. Okay, after everything set up, I restart and let the software do the work. Here you can see the software will auto open browser like this, and you will auto log in and auto see the video, auto follow, auto comment, like a script that I set up. That will make a account like a real user. Okay, so basically I show you how I warm up multiple digital account with my software. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or need more information, you can contact me on my Telegram or my WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation software. Thank you so much.